Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm checking out the RETEKESS TE103 Smart Hearing Aids. So let's open up the box and see how they work. First off, it comes with all the paperwork, quick start guide, this little box here comes with the accessories, so here's some extra ear tips and a cleaning brush, some little cleaning tools and accessories in this thing. USB-C cable to charge it. And then here are the earbuds themselves. Very small. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. These hearing aids have a CIC style as it sits deep in the ear canal. Once it's in, it's practically invisible. And they are also lightweight, so you won't even feel them there. They include several ear domes, and getting the right fit makes a big difference in comfort and clarity. One cool feature is that the charging case can be used as a remote microphone. You can set the case near a TV or someone speaking, and the hearing aids pick up the sound directly from the case. It's a clever workaround for situations where distance normally makes hearing harder. Battery life is another strong point, as a single charge can last up to 20 hours and can give you up to 80 hours when placed in the charging case. I don't have to think about plugging it in constantly, and when the battery gets low, it gives you a warning instead of just cutting out. The case also has a built-in drying function, which is super handy. Moisture is a big issue with tiny electronics, so having automatic drying every time it's stored adds a layer of protection and helps to extend the life of the device. Now the SOUNDWEAR app is where you can find a ton more features. You can adjust the gain, tweak the frequencies, and set the noise reduction levels. So if you're someone who likes to fine-tune your audio, the app gives you a lot of controls. And there are also presets that are already optimized for common environments. There are 4 listening modes built right in. Each one is designed for a different situation, from everyday use, noisy places, watching TV, and being outdoors. Switching between them changes how the device handles background noises, voices, and wind, and it's quick to swap modes, so it's easy to adapt when you move from one environment to another. The amplification level is designed for mild to moderate hearing loss, and it boosts sound enough to make conversations easier without overwhelming you. RETEKESS also backs the device with a long warranty and ongoing customer support, giving you more peace of mind. So if you're looking for a hearing aid that stays out of sight, adapts to different environments, and gives you control over your sound, then definitely check out the RETEKESS TE103 hearing aids today. And you guys can find out more about them in the link in the description below. I'll see you guys on the next one.